Whenever you walk through the grocery store, you see a number of drinks, sodas, juices, energy drinks, and coffees, to name a few. With this variety to choose from, we rarely choose water over other drinks. Water is called the fountain of youth for a reason. Our body is 60% water, which makes it essential for our systems to work correctly. I know, other drinks taste good, but have you ever stopped to think what would happen if you only drank water? In today's video, we're going to tell you about some of the benefits water consumption can give you. Skin benefits. Alcoholic drinks and sodas in general have additives that make our bodies toxic. And in many cases, you can see their effect on your skin, such as oiliness and acne. Water, on the other hand, can cleanse the impurities and make your skin smooth and youthful. This benefit was made well known a few years ago when a British woman named Sarah Smith, who didn't drink a lot of water, tried increasing her daily amount to try and cure her frequent headaches. After 4 weeks of drinking more water, her headaches were gone and she noticed that she looked much younger. Heart benefits. Studies performed all over the world are constantly trying to find a way to prevent heart attacks, one of the main causes of death in today's time. Eating and lifestyle habits can greatly affect the risk of heart attacks, and drinking 5 cups of water a day has been proven to reduce them by 40%. Immune system benefits. The same properties that make water good for your skin also make it good for your immune system. Drinking water helps purify your body naturally by eliminating and preventing the buildup of toxins that make us more vulnerable to all types of diseases. Weight loss benefits. It may not make sense, but when we drink adequate quantities of water, our systems work better. Being hydrated can also directly influence how full you feel, since we can sometimes confuse thirst with hunger. Studies show that water increases our body's energy expenditure, which helps us burn more fat. Brain benefits. The human brain is 75% water, so it greatly benefits from adequate water consumption. Keeping our bodies hydrated lets our brain work better, improving our concentration and memory. Budget benefits. Although it's not health-related, only drinking water can help your budget a lot. Drinking water is healthier and cheaper, and that way you can have more money left over to invest in healthier eating habits as well. Not bad, huh? Of course, our eating habits are hard to break, but try and drink at least 1.5 liters of pure water every day. Your body will thank you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.